Mastering the Art of Counting. Numbers 31 to 99. Hello there, dear learners. Welcome back to our Learning English video series. Today we're going to unravel the mystery behind the formation of English cardinal numbers from 31 to 99. So, get ready as we take you on a fun-filled journey of numbers in English. Remember, practicing out loud will help you become more comfortable with these numbers. The key to understanding the formation of these numbers is to first grasp their basic structure. Here's the general rule. Numbers from 31 to 99, except those ending in 0, are formed by stating the tens place followed by the units place, separated by a hyphen. So, if you've mastered counting up to 30, this will be a breeze. Now, let's take a closer look at the tens place. It's the first part of these two-part numbers. The tens place can be anything from 3, 30, to 9, 90. In English, these are 30, 30, 40, 40, 50, 50, 60, 60, 70, 70, 80, 80, 90, 90. Remember, these are always followed by a hyphen when combined with another number. Moving on to the second part of the numbers, the units place. This is where we place the numbers from 1, 1, to 9, 9. In English, these are 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9. When combined with a tens place number, we use a hyphen, for example, 31 for 31, and 42 for 42. Now it's time to put these together. Here are a few examples to illustrate. 35, 35, 47, 47, 53, 53, 68, 68, 79, 79, 86, 86, 99, 99. You see, it's not that difficult once you understand the structure. It's all about combining the tens and units place numbers with a hyphen. And that's it. You've now successfully learned the formation of English numbers from 31 to 99. Keep practicing, and you'll get the hang of it in no time. We hope this video has been helpful to you. Stay tuned for more videos on learning English. Until next time, happy learning, and remember, practice makes perfect.